Make a Hei Po'o with me. I use some green branches from a jasmine because they are easy to flex. Now you're gonna gather all your materials. I chose 3 different colors of oleanders. I am using yarn to tie them around. Make sure you leave some yarn at the end to be able to tie around your hip. Make a knot at the beginning and then wrap 2 or 3 times every time that you add a cluster of flowers. Make your pattern however you like it. When you come to an end of your branch, just unite with another one by tying it with your yarn. Add more yarn with a knot if you run out of it, and this is how it looks once it's finished.